Hi guys, so this week's video we are showing you our Ikea trip and our haul. We went yesterday and bought loads of things that we needed, and then we were going to video a build with us, but it sort of took forever. We went out for some food and then by the time we got back it took us quite a bit of time to build Freya's bed, so we built it and built the drawers, and then we'll show you what we've bought instead. Enjoy! So this is Freya's new toddler bed. We went for pink to match the walls and the wallpaper. We're yet to get a bedding on because she slept out last night with us building it and going to Ikea and whatnot. So we will see how she gets on tonight in that. And then we got Freya these two drawers. She had plastic drawers and they're really deep inside, so we can fit all the clothes. This is the name of the range if anyone is interested of it. It actually looks really small on video, but it's actually really big, and the bed is quite big as well compared to a cot. My foot there, hello. And then we got these drawers, the Malm range. Again, really deep inside and fit all of Jacob's clothes that he hoards, because going through all this stuff he was still hoarding age 8 to 9 and he's 10, so that's his drawers. So we do plan to get a new bed in our room. We're going to get an ottoman, and then we're going to give Jacob this bed frame. We also got a new mattress from Ikea, which is actually sat over there, and a new duvet, so that'll go obviously with the new bed. And then Jacob will get his drawers and room set how he wants it, his TV where he wants it, because at the minute it's just plonked where it was before. And so yeah, so we should have a brand new bed, so we'll probably film that and maybe putting it together. However, that's probably going to take hours and we're not looking forward to it. That comes a week on Monday. So if you've enjoyed this video, obviously please leave a like, please comment and subscribe to us. We're also on Facebook and Instagram, so go and give us a follow, and we will see you later. Goodbye.